Good evening. Coming from First Glance Weather, this is your weather forecast for Monday, May 29th, Memorial Day. Please, as we celebrate Memorial Day tomorrow, please remember and honor all who have served for our freedom here in the United States. Happy Memorial Day for tomorrow. Please remember any service people that you see, any law enforcement, any first responders. Please thank them tomorrow. And not just only tomorrow, but also thank them throughout the entire year. Coming up next, we're going to look at the national weather map for the United States. Now, here in the national weather map in the United States, over here in the central part of the northern states, the central part of the states, and the southern part around Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, and a little bit in Minnesota. That's the scattered showers and thunderstorms and some slight severe weather with thunderstorms there. But it also looks like now that they have took the severe weather out and it's just mostly rain and thunderstorms there. Out west, rain and thunderstorms there with troughs and low pressure systems, and that low that went up in South Carolina finally is moving inland, and it's right here with more showers and thunderstorms, and a little bitty low down in southern Florida with showers and thunderstorms there as well. Now we're going to look in the state of Florida. We're going to look at some overnight lows and some high temperatures. We're going to start out in Pensacola. We got 71 degrees. In Panama City, 73. Tallahassee, 69. Jacksonville, 67. And Gainesville, 66. This is for North Florida. Now we're going to cover Central Florida with Tampa at 69, Sarasota 70, Palm Bay 74, Daytona Beach 69, and Orlando 70 degrees. That is for Central Florida. Now we're going to look at South Florida, Cape Coral at 71, Miami 76, West Palm Beach 74, and Port St. Lucie at 72 degrees. Now we're going to look at the highs for the state of Florida for tomorrow. And we're going to look at the north again. We're going to look at temperatures, upper 70s to mid 80s to upper 80s. Starting out far in the northwest part in the Panhandle would be Pensacola at 76, Panama City 84, Tallahassee 84, and Gainesville and Jacksonville with 86 and 85. In the central, we're looking at Tampa of 83, Orlando 81, Daytona Beach is a little bit cooler at 76, Palm Bay a little bit cooler at 78, and Sarasota would be the warmest in the central part of the state at 85 degrees. Now we're going to look at southern Florida with Cape Coral on over to Port St. Lucie, and Cape Coral would be the warmest temperature tomorrow in southern Florida would be 88 degrees, 87, 82, and 84 in the south and southwest part of Florida, south and southwest part of Florida. Afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms. We will see that on the radar here in just a moment. Now looking at the radar, this is starting off tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. We can see a whole bunch of scattered showers and a few possibly thunderstorms off to the east of Florida. And then out there into the Gulf, we see showers and thunderstorms to the east part of Florida. Now we're going to look at later in the afternoon in Florida with possible scattered showers in southern Florida and a little bit of possibly maybe 5-10% chance of rain in central Florida possible, and maybe a 5 to 10% chance of rain in northwest part of Florida. And we're going to start there around Pensacola area, between Pensacola and Palm City. A slight chance, 5%, 10% at the most, and a little bit right here in Polk County with a 5-10% chance of a rain shower. Down around Miami, 5%, 10% chance of rain as well. That is due to we're still in influence of that dry weather and lower dew points coming off of that low pressure that came in around South Carolina, bringing in that northerly winds down to the state of Florida, bringing a little bit cooler temperatures and a little bit dew points are down and humidity's down a little bit. Now we're going to take a look at our Memorial Day forecast for tomorrow, and then tomorrow night's forecast, and then we're going to look at our extended forecast coming up. Now our forecast for tomorrow during Memorial Day, this is our daytime weather. We're going to have partly cloudy skies. As we can see, our dew points will be coming up just a little bit tomorrow. So therefore we will have a little bit more in moisture in the atmosphere. That would be the reason, henceforth, the reason why we have the clouds. So we're calling for partly sunny skies tomorrow with a high of 85 degrees. And you can see the winds are going to be from the northeast at 6 to 10 miles an hour. So anytime you have a northeast wind and it starts veering to the east, you're going to see that the temperatures are going to start going up. So, and that is for tomorrow during the daytime. Now we're going to look at tomorrow night's forecast. And tomorrow night we have partly cloudy skies still, and we're going to have winds from the northwest, and then switching back to the northeast at 6 to 9 miles an hour, and our low temperature at 72. So we're going to be, the overnight low is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, as we can see. And we're going to be looking at the 5-day forecast here in just a second. So we will see that. Now we're going to go right into our Pinellas 5-day weather forecast. And this runs from Tuesday through Saturday. And Tuesday we're going to look at a high of 88, Wednesday 89, 87 Thursday, 86 Friday, and 85 Saturday. And Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are our better chances of rain, and maybe even into Wednesday, 40, 60, 50, and then somewhat coming down for 30. And all 4 days of them or have some rain chances and mostly thunderstorms and throughout that time period. And that's Tuesday through Saturday. And we're going to take a sneak peek at Tuesday's weather. Tuesday, I'm calling for mostly sunny skies for Tuesday. Still, we're under that influence of that high pressure bringing up somewhat drier air still. So we're going to still have some dry airs. We may have a few clouds from time to time, even into Tuesday, with our daytime high of 88 and our nighttime low of Tuesday will be 73, and the winds will be from the northeast, then switching to the east. Therefore, that's why henceforth we're going to start having a little bit more, just a touch, a little bit more humidity, and dew points are going to go up just a little bit, and the wind's going to be shifting to the east. That's why our daytime highs and our morning lows are going to be a little bit cooler. I want to thank you for watching our First Glance Weather YouTube channel. Have a great evening, and don't forget to remember to thank our men and women who serve in the armed forces. Have a great day tomorrow, and we will see you tomorrow night for Tuesday's forecast and then the 5-day forecast, Wednesday through Sunday. Have a great one. Be safe, everybody, and we will see you tomorrow night.